This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Kia Sorento trunk using several easy methods. We will cover 3 primary ways to access your cargo area, ensuring you can always get to your belongings with ease. Whether you are inside the car, holding your key fob, or standing right at the back, there is a simple solution for you. Let's dive into each method, starting with the interior release. To open your Sorento trunk from inside, look for the dedicated release button. It is typically located on the dashboard, often to the left of the steering wheel, or sometimes on the driver's side door panel. Simply press this button firmly, and you will hear the trunk unlatch. Always make sure your vehicle is in park before attempting to open the trunk from the interior for safety. Your Kia Sorento key fob offers a convenient remote opening option. Locate the button with the trunk icon, usually depicting an open tailgate. Press and hold this button for about 2 to 3 seconds. The tailgate will then automatically unlatch and begin to open, often lifting to a comfortable height. Remember to stand clear of the tailgate's path as it opens. For manual exterior access, walk to the rear of your Sorento. You will find a small, discreet button located just above the license plate, often integrated into the trim. Press this button and the trunk will unlatch. Then, simply lift the tailgate gently to open it fully. To close, pull the tailgate down firmly until it latches securely into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.